Language is not always used just to impart information by making simple statements and asking questions. Sometimes we want to make requests or suggestions or to express our wishes or intentions. We may want to be polite or tactful or to indicate our feelings about what we are saying. We can do all these things by using a set of verbs called modals. Modals are always used in combination with other verbs. They are sometimes called modal verbs or modal auxiliaries. Modals consist of four paired forms: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and four simple forms: must, might, need, dare, ought to. In some grammar, used to is always referred to as a modal. It helps in writing, speaking. Modals are auxiliary verbs. Let's start examples. Can, I can do this, you can do this, he can meet me tomorrow. Can is used for permission, request, possibilities. In negative way, I can't do this, I can't run fast. Interrogative, can you drive a car? Can I go? Permission and possibilities, he can meet me tomorrow. Can't help, I can't help laughing, I can't help sneezing. Can you ask, ride in a day? Guests can come anytime, that can come anytime. Can I use your pen? I can speak English. These are examples of can. Next, could. Could is used for request. Could you tell me the time, please? How could not walk? You could come in my house after party. If I get up early, I could go with you for watch movies. May. May is used for blessings, permissions, requests. May I go now? May you live long? May I come in? Might. Might is used for request, more politeness. Might I borrow your golden necklace? Shall. Shall is used for future action. He shall pay you on Monday. Promise. I shall go to market tomorrow. Future action. Anyone fined involved should be punished. Nobody shall write on the table. Prohibited. You shall not meet him. Shall I open the door? Service and request. Shall I assist you? Shall I carry this box into the room for you? Will. Will is used for wearing, warning, promises, and probability. Probability. Will not, want. Intro, interactions. Want you have a cup of tea? Invitations. I will see you. Warning. I will pay you on Monday. Promises. Will you close the door? Formal request. Will you bring me glass of water? He will bring the pack. He will smoke habit, present habit. The woman will not keep mum habit. The minister will come late habit. Should. One should obey one's elders' duty. You should obey your parents' moral duty. The rich should help the poor. Expect action. You should work hard. Advice. Conditional sentences. Least. Slow walk, lest you should fall. Don't tease the dog, lest it should bite you. Don't about him, lest he should slap you. You should keep your promise. You should keep your promise. You should not make excuses. You should not back your words. You should have always eat light breakfast. You should not drive so fast. Would. Would is used for would you accompany me? Request. Would I open the window? She would be the club at this time. Probability. I wish you would fight this election. Must. Must. Command, order. Command, order, necessary. Need, interrogative, negative. He need not talk to. Need he talk to her. Dare, he dare not say like this. Ought to, should. You ought to advise moral duty. We ought to respect our parents. Consult a physician. You ought to consult a physician. Ought to. Here are some more examples. You can trust me. How can I forget you? What can I do for you? You can very well depend on me. You can trust me. You cannot please everybody. How can I do this? He could not help laughing. These are some more examples of clear models. Use in your daily language.